Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day so far. If you guys are new, please subscribe. Thank you guys so much for your recent support. I've noticed that actually I've been getting a lot of new subscribers, a lot of new watchers and viewers, so I really appreciate it. But 80% of you guys aren't subscribed. So if you guys are hearing this right now, just scroll down a little bit and press the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. It's my 2000 MR2 Spider. For you guys who haven't seen, has the CL Performance flares on it and the camp positive hood van and the ring and everything. But today I'll be installing the monkey wrench belt tensioner. Alright guys, so the belt tensioner is actually on this side. So it's right here. If you go to the side of the car and you kind of look way in there, you'll see the top of that bolt right there. I believe it's a 12 for that top bolt, and then the main bolt is 17. So you do need a long extension so you can really push the bolt back, because it's spring loaded. So that's what goes bad on these. You need to pull it. That's because it has a spring that puts tension on the belt. So you pull it back, take off the belt, remember the orientation of it, and then you can unbolt the tensioner, and it's pretty easy from there. So push it 19, you push it forward, and then it loosens it and takes off the belt. So now we can use the 17 to get, I'll show you on my old one, use the 17. So this is the orientation is on the side of the engine. So right now you put the 19 on here, push it forward, unloads the belt tensioner, take off the belt. Then there's a 17mm bolt right here, you remove that, and then 12 right here, and it comes out. So it's pretty straightforward. Sorry, it's kind of hard to see, but I did film the taking off the belt. So. Alright, so you might be thinking, oh my god, that bolt isn't coming out. Don't worry, as long as it's not still threaded into the engine, you're good. Now for the last bolt, the 12 up there, it's actually pretty hard to reach. You can't really have too long of a socket, because what happens is it hits right here. So what I do is actually, I'll show you exactly what I do. Use an open-ended wrench, and then I have a special socket that I use. It's pretty ghetto, but it doesn't strip the head, and you still have room to do it. So let's do it. Alright, so this is what I do. Have a kind of a slanted wrench like this, and go down here, and so you put it on there, and then have the wrench sitting like that. You grab your 3/8 socket, and it actually fits into the open-ended part, and then you just pull like so, and it'll loosen that 12. Alright guys, so to tighten it, you get that slant nut, you go from underneath, go through the X brace over here, and tighten it up like this, because you can't do it because the oil dipstick is in the way. You can't put a socket over there because it's too close to the shock tower, so you do it under here. It's the X brace, and you do it like that. We got all the toys out today. Motorcycle, FRS, another motorcycle, and mine.